still having difficulties with white police. Now, you would think that this would not happen to an African American or nigga. The police boom, boom, knocks on the door, open it. Have you seen a 6'2", 322-pound African American man? They really wanted to say nigga, but you know, with the new laws and shit, they use the word African American. No, I ain't seen. Why is it that the white police got to make sure I'm not that motherfucker? You got any ID? Fine, I pull out my driver's license and they give it back to me. Now that told me that motherfucker, you think I'm this motherfucking big ass nigga running around and y'all looking for, but me not knowing where he at, you feel that I'm lying or trying to elude you from finding the actual motherfucker, which could be me or may not be me. Now I was on some coke for a long time. I was about 280, and lucky, my lifestyle changed and I got myself back together. But anyway, still, it's appalling for me to realize that two motherfuckers that had swore to uphold the truth, have a blind eye to color, would go on the assumption that all niggas look alike. And I was offended because, okay, yeah, but motherfucker, I done lost 200-something pounds. You just can't just assume because all niggas look alike, they don't mean that they're still the same size. They can lose weight or whatever, and that's what the case was. But there was no way they could have been able to determine that I was that motherfucker in Detroit to hit the jewelry store. There's no way. I don't believe it. Don't buy it. I don't give a fuck. Somebody told on me and pointed these motherfuckers to my direction, and it's fucked up. And I don't know if it was one of those niggers, not niggas, but one of those niggers that live down the street from me, because those motherfuckers got brand new cars and shit, and they think they better than us here in the hood and shit. And they the type of motherfuckers that support BET for taking guns out of the black videos, but yet at the same time you can go to CSI or anything else after they air that shit on because there's a nigga in there, so they figured it can be on BET. He can walk around with a fucking gun, but you gonna take it out of the rap videos and shit. Those are niggers to me. So those are them same kind of motherfuckers I'm talking about that live right. I think it's 1, 2, 3 motherfucking blocks down from here. Well, houses, same thing, blocks in my name. We call them houses, blocks. You know what the fuck I'm talking about. So next time this shit happen again, I'm going to Reverend Get You To Me and explain to him, because I sent him a tape before, and they sent me a couple of $100, but the check ain't clear. But yeah, y'all take care. I'll talk to y'all later about this bullshit.